NASA, one of the most powerful space agencies in the world. But how did it all begin and where is it today? NASA was officially established on July 29, 1958, by the United States government during the intense space race with the Soviet Union. Its mission was simple, but bold: to explore space, advance science, and push the limits of human knowledge. NASA's first major project was Project Mercury. The goal was to send a human into space and bring them back safely. In 1961, astronaut Alan Shepard became the first American in space. But NASA didn't stop there. The next step was Project Gemini, which focused on spacewalks and orbital maneuvers. Then came the most historic mission, Apollo. In 1969, Apollo 11 made history when Neil Armstrong became the first human to walk on the moon. That moment changed the world forever. Over the years, NASA continued to innovate, launching space shuttles, building the International Space Station, and exploring planets like Mars. Today, NASA is working on the Artemis program, aiming to return humans to the moon and eventually send astronauts to Mars. NASA is not a stock market company. It is a government agency, so it does not have shares or a stock value. However, many private companies work closely with NASA. Companies like SpaceX, Boeing, and Lockheed Martin play a major role in modern space missions. SpaceX, founded by Elon Musk, is leading innovation with reusable rockets. Boeing and Lockheed Martin are major aerospace companies that receive large contracts from NASA. These companies are publicly traded, which means investors can buy their stocks. Big investors and institutions are heavily involved in these companies, making space technology a fast-growing industry. Today, the space economy is worth hundreds of billions of dollars and continues to grow rapidly. NASA's influence goes far beyond space. It drives innovation, technology, and even everyday products we use. From satellites to GPS, NASA's impact is everywhere. Looking ahead, the future includes returning to the moon, building lunar bases, and reaching Mars. NASA continues to push humanity forward, one mission at a time. From a small agency in 1958 to a global symbol of exploration, this is not just history. This is the future of mankind, and we are only just getting started. The journey of NASA proves one thing: when humans dream big, nothing is impossible.